everyone, you join us today. We're at a little lake behind a gite, and we're hoping to catch some carp and maybe a tench. I'm here with Colin, and gonna have a good day and see what happens, so hope you enjoy the video.
That one on a pellet, was it?
Join us, and Colin has just caught a little roach. You can see him in the background there, and we're sat in the shade because it's now mid-afternoon and it's rather warm, to say the least. Anyway, let's move it on just a fraction, and let's see if we can catch something.
Cheered me up that the first bite wasn't a fluke. I might take more interest in these things now.
Well, you missed that. Just had a cracking bite on a float, and just throwing the bait just down in front of us. Yep, just lowering the bait in and fishing, I don't know, 1 metre, less than a metre from the bank. The only problem, of course, being that it's a nice sunny afternoon, 23 degrees, and if we're not careful we'll fall asleep in the shade. Just been out and had an Indian at a local restaurant.
Strange thing is, I would have thought there'd have been a bit more of a sign of like the fish mooching around, but what I thought was the bottom stirred up was actually the pellets. You can see them breaking up and sort of rising up.
You might catch in the background there the local farm dog has turned up and wandering around on the bank. Monty didn't come away with us this time, but he'll be in the next video, I'm sure. A lot of movement down in front of me, and a few of the reeds just being knocked by fish. Hello.
We're in again.
Oh.
That went off like a rocket. I don't think it's a big fish. Just angry.
I better get the lantern net ready.
No, I think I'll be alright. Bit bigger than I thought. Trouble is, they've got nowhere to go, have they?
No, can't go down.
on internet, it looks easy to land a fish. And we're in. It's a long fish.
The mirror?
Yeah, mirror carp. So very thin. Nice fish.
Yeah.
Now the camera should be on.
Looks like it.
That's good enough for me. Have a close-up picture of it.
You take a photo or what?
No, I'll just picture on the. Oh, God. Well done. So, a picture on there. You can go back. Wonder if that was the same one 3 times.
Probably. That's all over there now, aren't they?
Whereabouts?
Again there.
No, I don't think that's fish.
No?
No, I thought it was.
There's some in the middle there.
Where you go?
Well, now let's have a look at a couple of fish we caught earlier on in the day. Here's Colin with a nice little carp, and I was lucky enough to get this long thin tench.
Well, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We had some fish, and join us again next time for more fishing in Normandy, even though this time we were actually in the Mayenne. But hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to, and share it with your friends. Cheerio for now.